Hello Moncescans, mga anak! I just finished work and I'm ready to do some baking. We are out of bread, so we are going to make baguettes for tomorrow's breakfast.
I adapted this recipe from the Kneady Homesteader. Check out her link in the description down below. Just need the bowl of your stand mixer, put in the yeast, the sugar, plus the warm water. That we just add 4.5 cups of flour. This is the measurements that work for me, although the recipe said to put 4. Don't forget to add the salt, and I put a little hole in the flour to add the olive oil. 3 tablespoons is what you need, and then we're ready to put this in the stand mixer. I use the dough hook, and the setting is just the second setting. Don't make it any faster, and just keep on mixing. Add the remainder of the flour gradually, and you will see that the dough slowly comes away from the sides of the bowl. So that is what you're looking for. You can see the bowl looks a bit cleaner and the dough is not sticking to the sides anymore. So you see it's tacky but not sticking to your hands. Now you make it into a ball, put it in a new clean bowl that had olive oil in it. Cover with cling wrap or your bowl cover for about 30 minutes. When it's done, you will see that it doubled in size. So now punch it down. And then you can use a rolling pin, but I just like to spread it with my hands and make it into a log. And then I divide it into 4 pieces. And so now we have 4. You can do 3 if you want it a little bit bigger. And I've spread out the 1 piece of the dough. You can use a rolling pin here, and then roll it up, and when you get to the ends, pinch in the seams, and then at both ends you tuck them in. Put the seam side underneath. Try rolling it until you have all 4 of them into a little log. And then with a sharp knife, just make some cuts. I make about 5 cuts into each of the dough loaf. And then cover with your cling wrap. I cover it with a cloth or a dish rag. Set it aside again for about 30-40 minutes. And when it's done, ta-da! It has risen and puffed up. So now we're ready to put our egg wash. Just use your little brush. Brush it on each of the loaves. And this will make your loaves brown and crunchy. Now I sprinkle it with some cheese. You can use any cheese you like. For this, I used Asiago cheese, but cheddar or Parmesan will also do. Or you don't have to put any cheese. Now it's in the oven, and there we go. We're ready. Look at how good it looks. That hollow sound?
Here are the baguettes that we made today.
Are these homemade baguettes making you hungry? Then maybe you should like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, if time and resources allow, I do bake extra loaves to give away to family, friends, and neighbors.
There the bread. This is a garlic infused olive oil for dipping.
We also make these loaves into garlic bread, Philly cheesesteak, and pizza bread. And please do watch the latest Cook It video of my neighbor Kuya JDL. Thank you for using my baguette for your roast beef melt. Thank you all for watching.